How to disable keyboard on laptop in Windows 10 or 11. Hello everybody, if you guys are wondering how, you may follow up this process in order to do so. So head over to your search bar from your desktop and you can type in device manager and open up your device manager settings on your screen. And once you open up your device manager, you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, you may just go ahead and locate up keyboards. And you can just go ahead and drop it down and look for your keyboards, for example this one right here. After that, you can right click on it and look out for uninstall directly, but if you can't find it, you can go to properties and go over to driver and you should be finding uninstall device option from here. All you gotta do is simply look out for uninstall device, click on it, click on OK, and once that is done, that should disable your keyboard on your Windows 10 or 11. So that's it for now. You may also follow the same process in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.